Don't send your drone into steel poles, kids. Not a good idea. Nuh-uh. Bad, 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 bad. Climb halfway up this motherfucking bridge. Get my floaty bird back. Yeah. I'm over exaggerating.
You're good.
Attributes in a tight situation is like squeezing grapes for the drunken sensation. These grapes got the taste of rap. On behalf of my staff, I blaze a trail and set a path for forward motion, cause a commotion and diminish competition. School the shorties cause the I be on a mission. Steady dismissing nonsense and weak fools who kick fuckery flows and stay afloat in the water. I simply order to cease your whole manslaughter attitude, cause niggas like you ain't really rude. I'm never pulling punches, delivery is revelation. Hear the eye out, find out what your face is. Never displacing the way brothers be living, but what's the true elements of what I'm giving? Delivering the full coverage of how I'm living in the years of the nine. My style and my life is defined.
battery's empty, and I've got one more pack that I'm not even gonna use because it's fucking a bad omen to use your last pack. We all know that. It's been a good day here at the bridge. I got some wicked footage. Not so much a train. We only saw one train go by, but what the fuck is this guy doing? Anyway, so yeah.
Fucking water all over the screen.
I'm out.